Hello, this is Gabriel, and today I just wanted to show you an AI copywriting tool that actually writes like a copywriter. You see, a lot of tools, they don't write copy, they just write content. This one actually writes copy. So to access this tool, what you want to do is you go to techhelp.ca, and then you go to services and scroll down to Copyhub. You click that, and it should take you to the workspace. So this is actually a full workspace. You can do everything here. You don't have to switch tabs, and you can literally do everything here that you need to do if you want to make edits or anything like that, which is great. So we are going to try some prompts so you can see the output. The first thing we're going to try, let's try writing a sales page. So that way you can see the distinction between content and copy. This writes copy. So I am going to tell it to write a sales page for an online fitness coach who does 12-week transformation programs. Now it's researching. Sometimes it will research if it needs to. When it thinks it doesn't need to research, it will just write the copy for you, which is one of the reasons I really love this tool. As you can see, it's done. Feel free to pause the video so you can look at the output. A few things stand out here. The headline is strong. Transform your body in 12 weeks without guesswork. Crash diets or living in the gym. That's awesome. That's a strong headline. That's not content, that's copy. And then it says here, you don't need another random workout plan. You need a clear 12-week system that tells you exactly what to train, what to eat, how to stay consistent, and what to do when life gets busy. This online transformation program gives you coaching, structure, and accountability so you can lose fat, build lean muscle, and feel in control of your body again. That's awesome. If I was actually working on a project like this, I wouldn't have to do that much editing. And that's the point. This is already there. You can literally use this just the way it is. The copy is ready to go. Or you can make edits to it. That's entirely up to you. But the copy itself is good enough to use. And that's the problem I've had with a lot of other AI writing tools out there. They just don't know how to write copy. They just know how to write content. This is different. And it uses placeholders for things that you need, such as your buttons. And I have seen it use placeholders for like proof points that you need. I'm just gonna slow down on the way I scroll here so you can take a look. Your problem isn't discipline, it's a broken plan. Now this is really strong. If I wanted to make edits to this, I can just click on Ask Copyhub right here, and I can tell it what I want to do. But in this case, this is just me showing you how this tool works, so I don't really have to make any edit to this. Then it says, a 12-week transformation program built around your life. Another strong headline that you don't have to do anything to. Now it tells you what to expect right here, what you'll build in 12 weeks. What's included, personalized training plan, nutrition coaching that doesn't take over your life, weekly check-ins and adjustments, accountability that keeps you moving, support between check-ins, And, again, feel free to pause if you want to read this. Feel free to pause and read it. It also tells you who this program is for. So this is for you if you're ready to stop jumping from plan to plan and follow one clear system for 12 weeks. You want to lose fat, build strength, improve your shape, and feel more confident in your body. You're busy, but you're willing to make your health a priority with a plan that actually fits your lifestyle, your life. You don't need perfection. You need structure, coaching, and consistency. So overall, this is great long-form direct response copy. You can try it yourself at techhelp.ca/copyhub.